Gani, that's how you say hello in Swahili, spoken in Kenya. Welcome to Little Star Cafe, facts that are fast, fun, and keep you happy. Today is Friday, September 1st, 2017, and here are today's matters for chatter. Number 1. Kenya is a country in the African continent, with Nairobi as its capital, moving a step ahead of more than 40 countries that have already banned, partly banned, or taxed single-use plastic bags. Kenya has now enforced one of the toughest laws regarding plastic pollution. From Monday onwards, production, selling, or even use of a plastic bag will get a fine or imprisonment up to 4 years in jail or fines of $40,000. We know how these plastic bags suffocate animals who eat them up by mistake when they're polluted all over the place. A law as tough as this one will discourage people to use plastic bags, which take thousands of years to break down in the earth as well, and of course have already taken a huge number of animal lives. Number 2. A huge asteroid, estimated to be only 2.7 miles wide, will make a very close encounter with Earth today. It has been named Florence, and it will pass at a distance of 4.4 million miles from our planet. And that's considered close, believe it or not. It will come this close to Earth for the first time since the year 1890, and won't be this close again until the year 2500. The asteroid is large enough to end life on our planet if it hits, but fortunately, NASA says this is not going to happen this time. Asteroids are small rocky bodies orbiting the Sun. Large numbers of these of varying sizes are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter in the asteroid belt. Number 3. Dr. Isa Fatima Jasmine, a dentist by profession, has set up a community fridge and a donations counter side by side in Chennai. Every day, people from nearby areas keep fruits, biscuits, water, and cooked meals inside the fridge. There are many who put shoes, socks, clothes, books, and more on the shelves of the donation counter too. And throughout the day, pavement dwellers, beggars, street children, and anyone else in need can come and pick up whatever they want from the fridge and shelves. They don't have to pay a single rupee for any of it. A guard sits next to it to make sure that everything kept there is fit for people to use. He ensures that the food isn't spoiled or the clothes aren't torn. Such a beautiful and an innovative idea of giving back to society. Can you think of something as innovative to help the ones in need? And now for today's mega matter. We often use these two phrases, I don't, etc., or I can't, etc., interchangeably, but they're very different psychologically. The difference between the two can have very powerful effects on our thoughts, feelings, and behavior. I can't is like a restriction, something which is forced upon you from outside. So thinking that you can't lowers your sense of power and personal choice. While I don't is said while expressing a personal choice. It shows your determination to not to do something that you don't like to do, or your willpower to resist temptation. I don't is more empowering than I can't. It's these small habits that make a difference in forming the people we are. We are in many ways defined by our good or bad habits. Do we say hello to everyone we see every day? Do we say please and thank you for even the smaller things others do for us? Do we show small acts of kindness when we don't have to? And the best part is, our habits are our own choice. Today's word of the day is inclination. That means how likely we are to do something. If someone sees adults helping out with daily chores, they will have an inclination to help them out now and then. And finally, for our quote of the day, be a part of the solution, not part of the pollution. Thank you for listening, and do send us your questions and comments via WhatsApp, or you can email us at diptyanti@gmail.com. Take care, lots of love, Diptyanti. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, do you know how loved you are?